Alright, so I was asked about hammerstones, so I'm going to make a quick video and hopefully it doesn't get cut off. So the question was actually which hammerstone did I use to make this one? And I just used this hammerstone right here. It's made from quartzite. It's harder than flint, onondaga, and pretty much everything else I nap. It's got some use on it, some wear. Um, yeah, for this one, I predominantly used this hammerstone. And for the most part, this actually is my main hammerstone. And while I'm here, I might as well talk about a few other types of hammerstones. So this one right here, um, I use this for spalling. It's quartzite, or it might even be limestone. It's very heavy, very hard, and I can hit it really hard when I'm spalling. Other than that, it doesn't get much used. Doesn't get used very much, I should say. Here's just another medium-sized hammerstone. Not as hard as the quartzite. As you can see, it's worn down a lot more. It also makes a good abrading stone. And then this one I use for the main stages and bifacial reduction. As you can see, it's been chipped. It's got a little smiley face on it. It's actually broke on this end, so now I use it on this end a lot more. Some of my abrading stones, this one gets used the most. So it's got that flat edge, and the sides get used a lot. And this one is my oldest one. This one is a hammerstone slash abrader. As you can see, it's been worked a lot. This one is very hard. It's just unfortunate it's so thin. These are kind of my, not medium, but not small. Yeah, I'd say these are my medium-sized hammerstones. As you can see, I've used this one a lot. I don't use it anymore because obviously I blew the one side off of it. This is quartzite again. It's very good, very hard, very heavy. And this one I use a lot. This is actually, I think, my first hammerstone. It is just a rock, right? Nothing to be special over. It's got a lot of use on it on this side. Not so much this side because of that. And then these are my smallest ones. Again, they're made out of quartzite. And these are for like really fine work. This one actually used to be like this long. As you can see, it's broke a bunch there, and it's really wore down. It's not very hard. It's better for raising platforms and such because of the small shape of it. It reacts the same way as an antler almost. But yeah, those are my hammerstones. Not much to really say about them. I don't use any copper tools whatsoever because I think that's cheating. And I'm sure Ajar, or however you say his name, I'm sorry about that. I call him the village hunter. It's an ongoing joke. Yeah, those are my hammerstones. Like I said, they're nothing special. You want to go for harder stones like quartzite. I've used granite a few times. Limestone works. These are, I want to say sandstone, but that doesn't sound right. I think these are just a more porous version of limestone, but I could be wrong. I'm not a geologist. I just use them, and I know that they hit hard. But these are all from Ontario, where I'm from, and they work great for, well, that's my old example. They work great for making stuff like this. And this was all done with hammerstones as well. So yeah, I hope that's helpful. Just try to get hard stones like quartzite, granite, limestone, I'm sure there's tons more that I just don't know. So yeah, I said that like twice now. It's like I'm on repeat. And yeah, see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed. I hope this was helpful. And yeah, see ya.